Welcome back to Quick Smart Quiz. Get ready for the toughest choices of your life, because we are playing Would You Rather, hardest choices ever. Let's get started. Good luck. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. First question, would you rather fart every time you walk or burp every time you talk? Would you rather never use hot water again or never use cold water again? Would you rather have tiny hands forever or have huge feet forever? Would you rather eat dirt with every meal or drink salt water with every meal? Would you rather be unable to whisper forever or be unable to shout forever? Would you rather always itch but can't scratch or always sneeze but can't wipe? Would you rather have $10,000 but lose a toe or have $1,000 but lose a finger? Would you rather sleep 1 hour a night or be awake 1 hour a day? Would you rather hear all of people's thoughts or let everyone hear your thoughts? Would you rather have to wear a swimsuit always or have a wear a snowsuit always? Would you rather lose the ability to read or lose the ability to write? Would you rather shave your head daily or shave your body daily? Would you rather laugh nonstop or cry nonstop? Would you rather always be slightly late or always be extremely early? Would you rather eat only soup for a year or eat only crackers for a year? Would you rather be forgotten by everyone or forget everyone you know? Would you rather lose internet forever or lose phone forever? Would you rather wear wet socks or wear wet shirt? Would you rather be bald forever or grow hair too fast? Would you rather only hear bad news forever or only hear fake news forever? Would you rather have a stinky breath forever or have a stinky feet forever? Would you rather eat bugs daily or eat grass daily? Would you rather let your phone to always die or let your laptop to always die? Would you rather have an iPhone or have a Samsung? Would you rather live underwater or live in space? Would you rather be a bad singer on stage or be a bad dancer on stage? Would you rather sleep while standing or sleep while walking? Would you rather wear clown shoes or wear clown nose? Would you rather lose one eye or lose one ear? Would you rather be bitten by a venomous snake or be stung by 1,000 wasps? Would you rather be feeling hot always or be feeling cold always? Would you rather always lie or always tell the truth? Would you rather be allergic to sun or be allergic to rain? Would you rather be locked in a dark room or be locked in a noisy room? Would you rather lose your shadow or lose your reflection? Would you rather smile forever or frown forever? Would you rather have no sense of smell or have no sense of taste? Would you rather live 50 years rich or live 100 years poor? Would you rather know when you die or know how you die? Would you rather have weak muscles or have weak bones? Would you rather eat paper or drink paint? Would you rather betray your friends or betray your job? Would you rather smell like sweat or smell like fish? Would you rather have sticky hands or have slippery feet? Would you rather be always thirsty or be always hungry? Would you rather be mute forever or be deaf forever? Would you rather only wear cotton or only wear wool? Would you rather lose your voice now or lose your hearing now? Would you rather laugh uncontrollably or cry uncontrollably? Would you rather only sleep outside or only shower outside? Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share your score in the comments.